there, pancake lovers! Ever wonder why your pancakes turn out flat and sad? Well, say goodbye to pancake heartbreaks. Today, I'm spilling the beans on the secret to perfect fluffy pancakes every single time. First off, let's talk batter. Don't overmix it. I know. It's tempting to get rid of all those lumps, but trust me, lumps are your friends here. Overmixing leads to tough pancakes, and nobody wants that. Next, let's get that griddle or pan prepped. Heat it over medium heat and don't rush it. Patience is a virtue, especially in pancake land. Now, ready for the big secret? Separate your eggs. Yes, that's right. Separate the yolks and whites. Whisk those yolks into your batter and then, in a separate bowl, beat those egg whites until they form soft peaks. Fold the whites gently into your batter. This, my friends, is the magic trick for fluffiness. When you're pouring the batter, keep it small and manageable. Think silver dollar pancakes, easier to flip and they cook more evenly. Look for bubbles on the surface before flipping. If you flip too soon, you'll miss out on peak fluffiness. And there you have it, folks, the secret to perfect fluffy pancakes revealed. Serve them with your favorite toppings, syrup, berries, whipped cream. The sky's the limit. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember these tips and watch your pancake game level up. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious secrets. Catch you next time.